Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into some incredible home decor finds that will instantly elevate the style and comfort of your space. Plus, we'll explore smart home gadgets that are not only innovative, but truly worth adding to your collection. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room or make your home smarter, these picks will inspire you and upgrade your everyday living. Let's get started. Antok full-length arched mirror. It's a beautifully designed mirror with a trendy arched shape that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. You can use it as a freestanding floor mirror with its built-in stand, or easily hang it on the wall in your bedroom, living room, or entryway. Mirrors are fantastic for making small spaces feel bigger and brighter, and this one does it with serious style. It's perfect for those final outfit checks before you head out, solving the problem of poor lighting and bad angles. Plus, the arch design is super popular right now. Couch cover sectional blanket. This oversized couch cover is a lifesaver for protecting your furniture from spills, pets, and general wear and tear, especially if you have an active household. It's made of a thick, durable material and features stylish tassels that give your sofa a cozy, boho chic update. Instead of stressing about accidental messes, you can relax knowing your couch is safe and looks great. It's a simple, affordable way to refresh your living room's look without buying a whole new sofa. Beige faux mum stems. These artificial chrysanthemum and eucalyptus stems in beautiful tan and nude colors are perfect for adding natural texture and a soft, neutral palette to your home. They come in a set of 10 long stems, making them ideal for creating a full, elegant floral arrangement in your favorite vase. The best part? They require zero maintenance, no watering, no wilting. They solve the problem of always needing fresh flowers by providing year-round beauty that looks incredibly realistic and lasts forever. Alpine tabletop water fountain. This charming indoor fountain features 3 tiers and has built-in candles, creating a wonderfully calming and serene atmosphere on any desktop or table. The gentle trickling sound of the water is incredibly soothing, helping to reduce stress and mask distracting background noise. It's an easy way to bring a little bit of nature indoors and transform a boring desk or side table into a peaceful focal point. It truly makes your space feel more like a relaxing sanctuary. Funly Me small trinket dish. This lovely little antique-style gold metal tray is the perfect catch-all for your small, important items. It functions as a gorgeous ring holder or jewelry tray, perfect for keeping your favorite pieces safe on your nightstand, dresser, or by the sink. If you're always misplacing your rings or keys, this decorative dish solves that problem while adding a touch of vintage elegance to your space. It's small, functional, and super aesthetic. Glass LED flameless candles. These remote-controlled, battery-operated candles give you the warm, cozy ambiance of real flickering candlelight without any fire hazard or messy wax strips. They come in real wax housed in stylish glass containers and include a timer function, so you can set them and forget them. They're a fantastic solution for safely adding soft lighting to bookshelves, mantels, or bedrooms, providing a comforting glow that's perfect for relaxing evenings. Black crystal vanity light. This modern 4-light fixture elevates your bathroom with a chic blend of black brushed metal and sparkling LED crystal wall sconces. The 4000 Kelvin LED provides bright, clear, natural light, perfect for applying makeup or shaving. It solves the issue of outdated or dim bathroom lighting, instantly modernizing your vanity area and making your morning routine easier and more enjoyable with its focused and stylish illumination. Sputnik chandelier ceiling light. This gold and black farmhouse-style chandelier is a stunning statement piece that screams modern elegance. With its 12-light Sputnik design and adjustable height, it's perfect for creating a dramatic focal point over your dining table, in the living room, or brightening up a kitchen island. It takes your lighting from simple to show-stopping, transforming a regular space into a sophisticated gathering spot. It's a huge impact piece that's worth the investment. Battery-operated wall sconces set. These black and gold modern LED wall lights are completely wireless and rechargeable, which is a game changer. Since they run on a battery and have a remote control, you don't need to deal with complicated wiring or hiring an electrician. They're perfect for adding accent lighting to a hallway or bedroom where you don't have an existing outlet. They solve the issue of dark corners by providing stylish, flexible, and easy-to-install lighting. LANDTOM 3-tier fruit basket. This gold metal stand is a decorative and highly practical way to display and store your fruits and vegetables. The tiered design saves counter space while keeping your produce organized and easily accessible, encouraging you to eat healthier. Its elegant, modern design means it doubles as a lovely centerpiece on your kitchen island or dining table, solving the problem of messy, scattered produce with a touch of luxury. OLANLY Washable Shaggy Rug. This soft, fluffy area rug is a cozy addition to your living room or bedroom, and the best part is, it's fully machine washable. Spills and pet messes are no longer a disaster, which is a huge benefit for busy families or dorm rooms. The neutral gray color and shaggy texture add warmth and comfort, instantly making your floor a more inviting place to step. It solves the headache of keeping rugs clean with ultimate ease. Tall floor lamp with lanterns. This standing lamp has a unique tree trunk finish and features multiple lantern-style lights, giving your room a warm, rustic, yet modern glow. It's dimmable and comes with the bulb included, making it a perfect corner lamp for your living room or bedroom. This lamp solves the issue of poor room lighting by providing ambient light with a distinctive, artistic design that acts as its own piece of decor. Irregular wooden wall mirror. Ditch the basic rectangles. This modern, gold-finished, asymmetrical mirror brings an artistic, organic shape to your wall. It works beautifully in a bathroom, over a dresser, or in an entryway, instantly making a bold statement. Its unique shape is a conversation starter and solves the problem of a plain wall, giving your space a custom designer look without a huge price tag. It's all about that modern flair. Corduroy throw pillow covers. These soft, striped corduroy covers instantly upgrade your throw pillows with a modern farmhouse feel. Changing pillow covers is one of the quickest and cheapest ways to refresh your living room or bedroom decor. The corduroy material adds lovely texture and comfort to your couch or bed. They solve the problem of tired, boring pillows by giving you a simple, cozy, and stylish seasonal update. French Bulldog key holder. This adorable resin butler statue isn't just cute, it's functional. This Frenchie holds a candy dish tray, making it the perfect entryway table companion for storing keys, coins, or small candies. It's a fun and quirky way to make sure you never lose your keys right when you're rushing out the door. Plus, it adds a dose of personality and charm to your home decor, especially if you're a dog lover. ProCase jewelry stand holder. Keep your necklaces untangled and your earrings visible with this sleek, rotating jewelry display organizer. It features multiple tiers for necklaces and bracelets, plus a tray at the bottom for rings and smaller items. It solves the common headache of jewelry clutter by keeping everything neatly organized and making it easy to see and choose your accessories every morning. It's both a practical organizer and a lovely piece of room decor. LOHAS Metal Shade Nightlight. This plug-in nightlight features a modern metal shade and an automatic light sensor, so it only turns on when the room is dark. It provides a soft, white, dimmable light that's perfect for hallways, stairways, or bedrooms. It gives you just enough light to navigate safely without being overly bright, solving the problem of stumbling around in the dark while adding a sophisticated touch that's much nicer than those standard plastic nightlights. Cozy Bliss Faux Fur Blanket. Prepare for the ultimate snuggle session. This fuzzy, soft, plush throw blanket has a thick bubble texture that is incredibly cozy and warm. It's perfect for draping over your couch or bed to add a luxurious texture and an irresistible invitation to curl up. It solves the problem of wanting to feel extra warm and comfortable on chilly nights, making your living room or bedroom feel like a warm hug. Natural linen curtains. These grommet top curtains are made from a thick, natural linen burlap material that provides privacy while still filtering soft light into your room. At 84 inches long, they add height and elegance to your bedroom or living room windows. They solve the dilemma of wanting natural light without sacrificing your privacy, giving your space a relaxed, airy, and sophisticated feel. Modern ceramic vase set. This collection includes 4 uniquely shaped decorative vases in beautiful neutral colors. They are perfect for styling your shelves, console tables, or mantels. You can fill them with the faux stems we mentioned earlier, or simply display them as sculptural decor. They solve the problem of empty spaces needing a finishing touch, allowing you to easily create a chic, gallery-worthy display. LED strip hanging shelves. These macrame hanging shelves are a great way to add both storage and mood lighting to your walls. They feature an artificial plant accent and built-in LED strips that light up, making them perfect for showcasing small decor items in your bedroom or kitchen. They solve the issue of limited surface space while creating a magical, warm glow, especially as nightlights or holiday decorations. Rechargeable wall sconce. Here's another fantastic battery-operated option, but this one has a 10,000 milliamp hour bulb with a huge 50-hour battery life. It also offers RGB color and dimmable settings, all controlled by a remote. It's amazing for adding customizable ambient or accent light to any room without hardwiring. It solves the need for powerful, long-lasting, flexible, and colorful lighting options in hard-to-reach areas. Magnetic picture light. This rechargeable, battery-powered light is designed to perfectly highlight your favorite artwork, photos, or wall decor. It offers 3 color temperatures and 12 RGB options, plus a remote and timer. It's completely wireless and magnetic, making it easy to install and adjust. It solves the problem of needing to draw attention to your wall art, making your prized possessions truly shine like they do in a professional gallery.